Hello my dear students, I am Ranjita Das, lecturer in physics of Nalanda Vidya Mandir. My dear students, in the last class we have studied about the units and the measurement. I am making a small brief of what we have studied in the last classes. So, आमे last class पढ़ी थिले that all the quantities are divided into two categories. One is the physical quantity, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା non physical quantity. Non physical quantity. So physical quantity रे हमें पढ़ी थिले जे the quantity which can be measured is the physical quantity and the quantity which cannot be measured is the non physical quantity. So non physical quantity रो example हमें देखिले that emotion, sorrow and the handsome, beautiful, cuteness, these cannot be measured. So these are the non physical quantities. और जो quantity को हमें measure करी पारिले those are the physical quantities. Then after this the physical quantities have been divided into two categories. One is the fundamental quantity and another one is the derived quantity. गोटे हला फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी आ गोटे हला derived quantity. Fundamental quantity रे हमें पढ़ी थिले 7 types of fundamental quantities. What are those? Those are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and the amount of matter. एतिकी जिनिस हमें पढ़ी थिले. These are the physical fundamental quantity. And what are the derived quantity? The derived quantities are the quantities which can be expressed in the form of fundamental quantity. जहाँ को हमें fundamental quantity रो form रे explain करी परिबा ताकू हमें derived quantity बोली कहिले. Okay? Then next we have gone to the unit. So in order to measure any physical quantity we need a unit. So हमें जो भी physical quantity को measure करिया पे two things are required. One is the numerical value and another one is the unit. Next we have studied about the four system of unit. First हमें पढ़िले three systems of unit. MKS system, CGS system and FPS system. MKS system meter, kg and second. CGS system centimeter, gram and second. FPS system foot, pound and second. These are the fundamental units used in this system of unit. So एथिरे only three fundamental unit हमें use कले. So जितने बड़े now in while studying the more chapters of the physics, three fundamental quantities are not sufficient to study the physics. सेते बेले हमरो finally आसिला SI system of unit. SI system of unit is the standard international unit or international standard of units. So SI system of unit रे हमें पढ़िले about 7 fundamental unit and 2 supplementary unit. 7 fundamental unit हमरो कौन थिला? Length, meter, mass, kg, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, electric current, ampere, luminous intensity, candela and amount of matter, mole. So these are the 7 fundamental units used in the SI system and the 2 supplementary units we have studied. Supplementary units, one is your plane angle and another one is your solid angle. Plane रे जो angle थाए that is plane angle. आओ 3 dimension रे हमें जो angle को consider करो that is the solid angle. So we have studied about all these quantities and then we have discussed about the derived unit. So derived unit are derived from the fundamental unit. So we have studied up to this. Aji hame padhiba about the dimension. So by considering the physical quantities and the units of the physical quantities, why it is necessary to study the dimension? Ame kahinki dimension padhiba? What is the requirement? Ame unit bisare janile. So after knowing about the unit, let me to give one example. Suppose I am walking and I am asked what is my speed. So my speed, I will say that my speed is 1 meter per second. Now a person in America is asked what is his speed. He told 1 foot per second. Now I am being here, I don't know what is feet. A person in America, he don't know what is meter. Now neither this answer is wrong nor this answer is wrong. ମୁଁ भी ठीक कहिची और सी भी ठीक कहिची. तो आमो दे जन को भितर डिफरेंस कोन होला? That the system of unit is different. मो पाई मो system of unit हला meter and ता पाई जे अमेरिका रे अछि ता पाई system of unit हला foot. So एई confusion को दूर करिबा पाई हमर यूज हला dimension. So dimension is the simpler way to know the unit. If we are able to know the dimension, we can easily write down the units of the physical quantities. So a dimension माने कोन? We already know that the fundamental units are mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and the amount of matter. एई सातटा fundamental unit को नेई आमे जो एक्सप्रेस करिबा अन्य फिजिकल क्वांटिटी गुडा को सेथिरु बाहरिबो डायमेंशन. So what is dimension? Let me to take one simple example. Suppose mu nebi speed. Now all of we know that the formula for the speed is distance by time. Distance by time. The distance is written in the form of L1. Length, distance is length and time is t. So L by mu note karibi capital L1 and time by mu note karibi capital T1. So it is L1 t minus 1. So ethiru baharila moro dimension of the speed. If I can find out this formula, then I can write out what is the dimension of the speed. केमिति लिखिबी? देखो 7 fundamental units are there. So 7 fundamental unit by 7 symbol use हुए. Mass, capital M, length, capital L, time, capital T, temperature, capital K, electric current, capital A, luminous intensity, CD, and the amount of matter. Mole. Okay, so these are the symbols we will use. A theta maximum use habani by using these quantity, but in some fundamental physical quantity these quantity are also used, but maximum physical quantity ame eguda ku nei ki express kariba, that is the dimension. So joti if you can consider what you have to measure, either the mass or the length or the time. If you are measuring the length, then you have to represent it by capital L. If you are measuring the mass, you have to represent it by capital M. If you are measuring the time, you have to represent it by capital T. If you are measuring the temperature, then you have to represent by capital K. And if you are representing the electric current, then you have to represent it by capital A. So एतिकी को नहीं हमें dimension बाहर करिबा. Now what is the dimension of the speed? Now L1 t minus 1, this is not the dimension of the speed. So after knowing this formula, if you are asked to write down the dimension of a physical quantity, then what you have to write down? The dimension of a physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental units are raised or the fundamental quantities are raised. Fundamental quantity गुड़ा को जितने की power को raise ही चंदी से power गुड़ा को dimension बोले कहा जाए. And always a better way of representation of dimension is in the form of M, L and T. सब बड़े M, L और T form रे dimension को present करा जाए. So speed रो dimension हमें पहले L1 T minus 1. Then obviously I can write M0. But it is the better way. The writing of M0 may be not necessary, but still we have to write down to betterly represent the speed. Now what is the dimension of the speed? The dimension of speed is 0, 1, minus 1. The powers raised to the fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity को जितनी की power raise करा जाए ताको dimension बोले कहा जाए. All of you clear? So dimension को एबे define करिवा. Dimension of a physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental quantities have to be raised to represent the physical quantity. Say physical quantity को present करिवा पाई हमको जेति की power बढ़ेवा को पड़िबो. Those are known as the dimension. So the dimension are nothing but the powers. Now we have to take some example and find out the dimension. Suppose what a physical quantity we have considered the speed, that is v. V रो dimension formula बाहर कले हमें L1 T minus 1. Now what is the dimension? The dimension of the speed is 1 minus 1. 0, 1 minus 1 is the dimension of speed. एठी M0 लिखिबा. M0. Now what is this M0 L1 T minus 1? This is the dimensional formula. M0 L1 T minus 1. Then if you will write down along with the physical quantity V is equal to M0 L1 T minus 1. What is this one? This is dimensional equation. आपको dimensional equation बोले कहा जाए. All of you clear about the what is dimension? Dimension are the powers to which the fundamental quantities have to be raised. What is the dimensional formula? The fundamental quantity along with the unit, along with the power are the dimensional formula. Physical quantity सहित जेतेबेले आमे formula को लिखिबा सेटा हला dimensional equation. हला. So now आमे किछि एग्जांपल ले डायमेंशन बाहर करिबा. Let us take some examples and take some derived units and find out the dimension of the derived quantities. You have to know how to find out the dimension because still you will study physics. A number of physical quantity you will come across. जेते नुआ physical quantity तमे physics रे पाइबो प्रति moment रे तारो unit और dimension you have to find out. So it is difficult or we can say that it is impossible to remember a number of physical quantity. तमे जेति की physical quantity पढिबो plus 2 second year भितरे सबु गुडा करो dimension मने रखिबा एते सहज नुह. So we have to understand how to find out the dimension. Once you will understand, it is very easy. You can find out any dimension of the any physical quantity. तुमको जो physical तमे जदि process ठीक रे बुझिजो, तमे जदि जानिजो how to find out the dimension, then जो physical quantity दो, if you know the formula, then you can find out the dimension by yourself and it will be correct. Okay. So let us take some example and find out. Let us start from a simple one. That is, already I have told about the speed. Let me to consider about the area. The first step we will do. I am saying step by step. Remember, 3 steps we will follow. First step. Let us first know what is the formula of this physical quantity. Now if it is an area, then it is length into breadth. In the next step, let us know how we can represent these fundamental or physical quantities, whether these are the fundamental quantity or derived quantity. Now you tell me length. Length is measured in terms of length. It is a fundamental quantity. The breadth, it is also a form of length. Length into length, that is equal to L square. So in the third step, you have to represent it in form of M, L and T. So now represent, so the dimension of area or the dimensional formula of area is M, L, T. L2, M0, T0. So what is the, this is the dimensional formula we got. What is the dimension? The dimension is nothing but 0 to 0. All of you clear now? How to find out? So first let us try to understand or let us try to know what is the formula of the physical quantity. Once you know the formula for the physical quantity, you write it in the form of fundamental quantity. Say formula को तमे fundamental quantity रो form रे लिखिया को चेष्टा करो. After knowing the fundamental, after knowing the formula in terms of the fundamental quantity, you take the symbol that is for mass M, for length L, for time T, for temperature Kelvin. नेके ताको present करो. And finally, the powers are the dimension of the physical quantity. Let us consider another example. Similarly, volume also you can find out. Volume. First formula, length into breadth into height. Now this is nothing but L into L into L, LQ. So in the form of fundamental quantity likhiba. So volume ro dimension hobo M0, LQ, T0. So what is the dimension? 0, 3, 0. For the powers are the dimension. Suppose density. You have to find out the dimension of the density. Now what is the density? Mass by volume. First step. We know the formula. In the second step, कौन करिबा? Mass. Mass is written in the form of M1. Volume. Volume is written in the form of LQ. So this is M1, L minus 3. The better way, you have to write down the T. So M1, L minus 3, T0. All of you are getting? Next, let us go to another example. Force. Let us find out the dimension of the force. First, you have to know what is the formula. Mass into acceleration. That is, mass into acceleration is nothing but your velocity by time. What is velocity? Velocity is nothing but your mass into speed, distance by time divided by time. So mass into distance by t square. So m को हमें represent करिबा in form of m1, distance l1, t square ऊपर गला होगा t minus 2. So what is the dimension? Dimension is 1, 1 minus 2. This is the dimension of the force. All of you are getting? So in the 3 step we can find out what is the dimension of the physical quantity you are asked to find. How can the example kariba? Suppose you are asked to find out the dimension of work. Dimension of work. So the work is nothing but first step formula, force into displacement or distance. The force is, we know, m1 L1 T minus 2, S is L1. So m1 L2 T minus 2. This is the dimension of the work. m1 L2 T minus 2. Suppose you are asked to find the dimension of gravitational constant. So how we can find out the dimension of gravitational constant? First step, we have to know the formula. Now what is the formula? You already know, F equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Newton's law re padithibo. The where m1 and m2 are the mass of the two bodies and r is the distance between the two bodies. So we are asked to find out the dimension of G. So G equal to F r square by m1 m2. G को गोटे साइड रखिबा, अन्य क्वांटिटी गुडा को अदर साइड लिखिबा. So G equal to F r square by m1 m2. Now F is the force. The dimension is m1 L1 T minus 2. R square is L2. M1 M2. M1 mass, both are mass, so M2. So what we will get? M minus 1 L3 T minus 2. M minus 1 L3 T minus 2. This is the dimension of the gravitational constant. So what will be the dimension? Minus 1, 3, minus 2. This is the dimension of the gravitational constant. We have to find the dimension of pressure. First let us know the formula. Pressure equal to force by area. Force dimension m1 L1 T minus 2. Area dimension L2. So that is m0 L2 T0. You can write also. So in one form m1 L minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1 T minus 2. So what is the dimension of pressure? 1 minus 1 minus 2 is the dimension of pressure. Suppose you are asked to find out the dimension of temperature gradient. Temperature gradient. While watching this video, you must have your pen and the paper with you, pen and the copy with you. Whatever I am doing, you have to do or you have to repeat it again. Okay, jette practice karibo dimension sette easily bujhi paribo. Temperature gradient. What is the formula for the temperature gradient? Temperature divided by distance. So the temperature, the symbol is capital K by L1. So that is M0 L minus 1 T0 K1. So dimension kete la 0 minus 1 0 1. This is the dimension of the temperature gradient. Okay. Suppose you are asked to find out the dimension of charge. Let us find out the dimension of charge Q. First, let us know what is the formula. Q equal to IT. Q equal to IT. So I is current. Current is in the form of ampere. Capital A, the symbol is, and the T is capital T. So what is the dimension? In the better way, we can write M0 L0 T1 A1. Okay, so the dimension of Q is 0 0 1 1. This is the dimension. So first you have to write down MLT, then whatever the next will come, accordingly you have to write down. Okay, next let us find out the, suppose it is asked to find out the dimension of potential. What is the dimension of potential? The symbol is capital V. First the formula, V is, the potential is W by Q, work by charge, the work done per unit charge. W by Q, W is your, we already have found, M1 L2 T minus 2 divided by Q, Q is A1 T1. Okay, आपको टिके सिंपल फॉर्म रे लिखिबा M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1, 1 उपरू गला minus 3 हला, 1 उपरू गला minus 1 हला. So this is the dimension of the potential. This physical quantity you will gradually study while you are going further in the physics. आमे जेते आगु पढिबा physics, आमे नुआ physical quantity विषय रे जानिबा, and we have to find out the dimension. Then आमको सेते बेले dimension बाहर करिया को पड़िबो. So you must know how to find out the dimension. जदि आमे formula जानी जे, then we can find out the dimension easily. Next, suppose you are asked to find out the dimension of resistance. Dimension of resistance. Ohm's law हमें जाने चाहिए V equal to IR और R equal to V by I. So what will be the dimension of R? V कहते already बाहर कोले M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1 divided by I. I is A1. M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1, 1 उपरू गला A minus 2. So what is the dimension? 1, 2 minus 3 minus 2. This is the dimension of the resistance. Okay. So in this class, what we have studied about the dimension, how to find out the dimension of the different physical quantities. Mone rakho, once again I am repeating, you must have pen and copy with you. एगुड़ाक न देखी प्रैक्टिस करने को पड़िबो. निजे निजे नेवर ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर द डायमेंशन केबे भी मने रखिबा को चेष्टा करिवोनी. यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डायमेंशन. If you can know it clearly, then any physical quantity you come across, you can find out the dimension easily. Okay, after knowing the dimension, now it is very easy to write down the unit also. आमे थोरे डायमेंशन जानला परे आमे इजीली तार यूनिट मध्य लेखि परिबा. either तमे SI यूनिट लेखो or CGS यूनिट लेखो, any type of unit लेखो. So to know how to find out the dimension is very important if you want to score better in physics, if you want to better understand the physics. जदि physics भलरे जानिबा को चाहंजो, जदि physics भलरे बुझिबा को चाहंजो, जदि भलो मार्क आनिया पय चाहंजो, then we have to know how to find out the dimension, because always there is one question, find out the unit or the dimension of the physical quantity. कोवेले गोटे physical quantity देइथिबो, तार dimension बाहर करो बोली कहिथिबो. So if you don't know how to find out, by remembering you can never write down the correct dimension. All of you clear now? Okay, so हमें कौन पढ़ले in this class? We studied about the dimension, the dimensional formula and the dimensional equation. Hope all of you are clear now. What is the difference between the dimension, dimensional formula and the dimensional equation? Fundamental quantity ro power को dimension कहा जाए. The power to which the fundamental quantities have to be raised is the one dimension. So power को dimension कहा जाए. Along with the power, if you are writing the fundamental quantities, then it is dimensional formula. Then along with the physical quantity, if you are writing the dimensional formula, then it is the dimensional equation. Then we have derived the dimension of a number of physical quantities. Please go through this and then you go through your book. In the book a number of physical quantities are given. Sabu jaka physical quantity class re solve kariba possible nuha. So go through the book and try to solve some more dimension of the physical quantities. Tamo bohi re एगुड़ा को एक्सेप्ट जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी गुड़ा को देइची सेथिरो तमे सॉल्व करिकी डायमेंशन आनिया पई चेष्टा करो. इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग द डायमेंशन बाय नोइंग द फार्मूला ताको टैली करो बुक सहित. जदि तमे ठीक पाउजो देन यू आर परफेक्ट इन द डायमेंशन. थरे डायमेंशन बाहर करिबा परफेक्ट हे गले आउ थ्रू आउट द 2 इयर्स इफ वी विल कंसीडर अबाउट द सेकंड ईयर ओनली तो +2 सरिला जाए बा आगो को भी जब फिजिक्स पढ़िबो डायमेंशन रे केबे भी भूल हबनी. यूनिट एंड डायमेंशन यू विल बी परफेक्ट. ओके, go through the video and solve some more dimension by yourself. Okay, thank you.